Hello everybody, I am one of the patients whose life was saved in the Goa Medical College. Well, I belong to Goa, I was born here. Once upon a time, I was a good horseman, a good boxer, but all that turned into a lot of fat for doing nothing much, not exercising, etc., etc. There were a lot of ups and downs in my life. And I would like to say in short, the Goa Medical College, it is one of the good government hospitals, was responsible for saving my life. And I nearly collapsed because I had a heart problem. One day, disease attacked me and I had to go to Goa Medical College, where I went through the treatment, and that has helped me. Dr. Guru Prasad Naik, head of the cardiology department, did an angioplasty on me and everything went off well. And today I am very happy, I am very active. And today I have a very normal life. The Goa Medical College, as I was talking about, Goa being a small state, this hospital caters to the whole state and even people from abroad. Young lady, please stop that. This is my dog. This is my companion. Many times in the mornings we exercise ourselves, etc. You know, when a private citizen thinks of a government institution, they say that it belongs to everybody, so to nobody, so nobody cares and all that. But it's not so. Goa is a small state and we have only one medical college. The Goa Medical College is one of the premier institutions in the country and one of the cleanest and most efficient, also staffed with some of the well-qualified doctors. And the nursing and other support staff is also very cordial and nice. I wish them all the luck. Thanks to the medical college and thanks to everyone, the staff and the people. I advise my fellow citizens, in case of your problems, you should go and get yourself checked up in the medical college. Enjoy a free, carefree life. I wish you all the very best. Thank you very much.